This week on I Kind of Fixed It, we're going to be doing fuel pump. And if your small block Chevy has a smog pump, yank that sucker out of there. Throw it in the scrap pile. That way you got full access to your mechanical fuel pump. This specific pump has 3 lines to it. Go ahead and disconnect the lines, replace as needed, which is what I should be doing. Then that leaves you to these 2, I like to use 11mm bolts on top of the fuel pump. Go on and loosen those bolts up. Don't worry about that. And that's the famous rod you have to worry about when you go to put this fuel pump back in. You can either use a Sawzall blade, which I've done, or through the access bolt in the front over here. Yeah. Smog pump bracket is in the way currently, but ultimately your goal is to get that little rod up, hold it in place, so you could slip this in there to ride on that rod. But don't forget your gaskets. They give you 2, but I just use 1. So once you reverse the procedure, install your new fuel pump, fuel will be pumping and your small block Chevy will be happier. Fuel will be pumping.